Alright, today I'm doing a basic tutorial on the XLOOKUP formula. So XLOOKUP is replacing VLOOKUP in many ways, as it simplifies and standardizes a lot of the ways that people were trying to use VLOOKUP. And so here we can see there's three basics. So we have search key, lookup range, and result range. And so this is very similar to VLOOKUP, except for it is splitting the lookup and the result range, whereas in VLOOKUP it combines these into one, and then it's automatically looking at the first column, and then you specify index to specify which column you want to return. So this one's splitting them, so it makes it much more flexible to use. So then we have optional modes over here. So this is to specify what happens if it can't find the search key in the lookup range. Match mode is like in VLOOKUP where you have two, true or false. This one actually has more modes that you can do. You can do less than or equal to, greater than equal to, and so forth. And the search mode specifies if you want to sort the lookup and result range. All right, so standard, they need to have the same number of rows, just like here. And so let's go ahead and dive right in. And so here, this is a very similar table to what you would use VLOOKUP for. We're looking up the agent commission percentage from this table, and we need to pull it into our sales table. And so let's go ahead and see what that looks like in XLOOKUP. So our search key is going to be agent. I'm going to look in this agent column and return from the commission column. I'm going to go ahead and just lock these using the F4 just so we can drag this down without messing up. Hit enter, and there we go. And so you can see we don't have to specify the index or true or false. It automatically defaults to exact match and pulls it in just like that. All right, so let's look at what is normally a little bit of a deal in VLOOKUP. We have our agent on the right and our commission on the left. And so let's go ahead and look at what this looks like. So as you can probably imagine by now, we'll do our lookup range and our result range just like that. Let's go ahead and lock these real quick. Close it, let it drag down, and look at that. As simple as that, we have returning right to left. All right, so let's look at what we often use a VLOOKUP for, a sorted lookup, and see how it looks like in XLOOKUP. And so we want to find this deal amount in our table here. And so what we're going to do is our lookup range is, as you, if you're familiar with VLOOKUP, is just going to be this first column. Then we're going to return our member level. So now we're to what we can see here is missing value, so it's not there. What we're going to return, we're going to skip this for now, just by hitting comma. And then we're looking at match mode. So match mode it specifies here, and I'm not going to go through all of it right now, but basically 0 exact match, 1 for exact match or next value bigger, next match or exact match or next value is lower, which is what we want, so -1. Go back and lock these real quick, hit enter, and there we go. So this is what would normally be achieved through the VLOOKUP with a true condition. All right, and so as you can probably imagine by now, this will be pretty straightforward. Agent ID. I'm sorry, almost got it messed up there. And then this one, just like that. And there we go. And so if we're looking up a number, we don't have to specify anything specific because it's defaulting to exact match. All right, that's it for today for this basic XLOOKUP tutorial. Tune back again to our channel soon for other basic and quick tutorials on different formulas in Google Sheets.